Andai ka dito Hatamosa. Andai ka dito Villamala. Andai ka dito Cabilao. Andai ka dito Lucero. Andai ka dito Jocoy. Have you ever wondered why things move and stop? That's physics. Specifically, forces and motion. When I let go of this coconut, it falls to the ground. That's gravity, a force that pulls object towards the earth. When I will push this motorcycle, it will move forward. A force that will simply push or pull an object and change on how they move. Forces can make an object slow down or even speed up, or even it can change the direction of an object. When I throw this ball up, my hand applies motion, but the gravity pulls it back down. Motion happens because force always at work, even if we can't see them. From walking to running. Physics isn't just in textbooks. It happens everything around us. Every single day, it happens. Force and motion is part of everything we do. Even what we're doing now.
Measurement and conversion are everywhere in our daily lives. Measurement is comparing to a standard. For example, when we change numbers into smaller or bigger forms, we use unit of conversion. We use systems like the metric system and the English system. Unit conversion allows us to change the measurements accurate. Fun fact, it helps us determine the length, mass, time, temperature, and volume. Conversions are used in cooking and instruction, science, and daily life.
In our everyday activity, we live, we push, and we move without thinking about it. But in physics, this example, action explains three important ideas: work, energy, and power. Let's see how happen in the real life. Number one, work. Work happens when force something to move, like this. Do not move, no work is done. When lifting an object, gives a potential energy. When it falls, the energy becomes a kinetic energy. Power how fast the work is done.
And so now, let's talk about heat and temperature. And did you know that heat is an energy that moves something hotter to something colder? While temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold something is. I can give you one example. Like, if I place this cold spoon into this hot soup, the hotness of the soup moves around and goes to the spoon, making the spoon warm. Heat and temperature affects everything, like weather, cooking, to how our bodies stay warm.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of physics that studies motion. It focuses on how an object moves without considering the studies of motion, such as force or mass. First is position. Position tells us where an object is located relative to a reference point, while velocity shows both speed and direction. So second is distance. Distance is how much ground is covered, while displacement is a straight line change in position with direction.
Third is motion. Motion is often shown using equations and graphs, like distance time and velocity time graphs.
In kinematics, we describe motion using a few key ideas. Acceleration. Acceleration is how velocity changes, such as speeding up, slowing down, or changing directions. In everyday life, kinematics is everywhere. When a runner increases speed during a match, or when a basketball is shot into the air. Kinematics help us explain motion.